Okay. Go ahead now.
Something going on in the back. I'm just gonna sit.
You're gonna sit.
Actually, no sense of walking around. Let's see with me, talk with me. See, down here in Orlando, Florida, you got the beautiful sun that way.
No, let me
camera.
change.
Okay?
Because I got the sun in the wrong direction. I can't see your face.
Oh,
I'm okay
yeah,
now.
see the face. You have the sun, the fun, the weather. You have women coming out of the bathroom looking slightly sick. Maybe they drank too much. Maybe it's just hot.
Maybe.
Who knows? Maybe there's a sickness, but you would love to stay here, right? Look at the water. Look at the jacuzzi. Look at the girl with
Jacuzzi
marijuana
over there.
on her bikini. We out here getting the sun, get the tan, tats on the leg, doing the boob.
All right. Let's see.
That's how we do in the Metro West.
Look like a nanny.
All right, well, we're good.
Good?
That's that. So this is just the pool location right outside of here, what you're gonna get down here in this exclusive area. You're looking for condos in the Florida area. This is, keep in mind, this is the vacation capital of the world. Everybody wants to come here. You got Universal Studios right down the street. Steps from Disney, SeaWorld, Aquatica, indoor skydiving, and everybody's down here. This is where it's at. You want a place to invest? You have the great weather, all these great amenities. We swim with sunglasses. You get that?
Yes,
Is that
I know.
pimp or what? We swim with sunglasses on. That's how you know they're real. They don't rub off. Chlorine. We'll see you at the next location.